memories are wasted. They don't capture what you mean. You gave me what I am chasing.
Hi guys, today I'll be creating a Bantu knot crochet hairstyle. So I'll do the Bantu knots at the front and then I'll go in and crochet the hair at the back.
Angel in life, I didn't know angel.
I'm just going in and section the hair to do the Bantu knots and
In the night, you tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with other angels tonight. Even now you're leaving me. Dreams and memories are fading, but I know you walk with me.
I'll go in with the hedge control to make sure the hair is nice and laid you out.
All my pain wants you to be present. All my love tells you stay in heaven. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with all the angels tonight.
Now I'll go in with this Jamaican bounce crochet hair and make the Bantu knots.
Angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels around you You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with other angels tonight.
I'll go in and just do 2 braids in the front, you all.
Every morning I'm gonna be here. Why you crying? Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we've grown stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're perfect, perfect. Pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we've been through. You're my family, that's always gonna be. But you cry when I'm not there. You're afraid of time. You keep saying you're afraid.
Now I'm putting the back of my hair in a ponytail to crochet the hair in.
You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're perfect, perfect. Pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more too, girl, you're pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more too, girl, you're pretty, pretty. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. Don't worry, 'cause I still
Now it's time to trim the hair, you all.
been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years.
And here you have the finished look, you all. I think I like this hair better before I unravel it and trim it. The curls look so nice and bouncy, but it is still okay, you all. So I'll leave the link to the Jamaican Bounce crochet hair in the description. If you're interested, you can go check it out. Thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye guys.
It's the one. Oh, you pretty girl, pretty, pretty, pretty girl.
So stay in check. I got a big ego, such a huge ego. I love my big ego, and I can match your pettiness too.